Hello and welcome back to GENSSI.com. Today we're going to talk about the H4351/52 headlights. These are most commonly used inside the Camaro. These older Camaros, and they generally come with a sealed beam headlight. We do offer this open beam headlight, which is a glass front, steel back, and now we just basically designed a new LED conversion kit to be able to install this as well. So today what we're going to do is show you how to install this LED kit. Now we did the GENSSI G2s, which are basically driverless, or the driver is actually built in. This is going to allow you to be able to install the small base into the back of that housing. So first thing, let's go ahead and get started with this headlight. Removing the retaining clip completely. Remove the cover. Now we'll go ahead and take the bulb and counterclockwise all the way, and basically you'll be able to pop this out. Then we'll go ahead and insert this into the back of the housing with a small tab, the smallest tab facing up, and the two big ones on the side. Press it in so that way it seats. Then we're going to go ahead and put the actual clip back on. A bit backwards. I'm going to change that here. There we go. So now it's nice and snug in there. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and grab the bulb. What you're going to do is just line these two up with these two notches in here and click. Now the headlight is completely installed. It's pretty easy. This will allow you to actually adjust the beam as well, because you have about 4 clicks, and then that puts you at a completely different beam pattern. Instead of having basically the chips facing up and down, you can basically click through until you have the perfect beam pattern. Thanks for watching.